Gotta take a little bit of video in New Orleans. We're in the French Quarter, of course. It's our second full day here. It is pouring rain, thundering lightning. Hopefully I will get some of it on video. I'm gonna try. At the very least, we're gonna get some nice shots of the area we're on. This is Royal Street, and yeah, it's beautiful. So here we go. Here's my mama. Oh, here we go. There was lightning. Please be good thunder. Yes. I love it here. This is awesome. There it is. Pouring rain up Royal Street, and nobody really cares. See if I can get one more thunderclap. Our hotel is behind us. It's the Omni Royal Orleans on St. Louis Street. Nothing much to see from here. It's this gray building all up in here.